Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your speaker to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it. And right here we have equalizer preset, so click at the selected preset and then go to preset. And here's 4 presets, so select the best one for you. Let's say I wanna balanced. Also, I recommend it to enable adaptive direction, and it will adjust equalizer, and it depends of your this speaker placement. So now it's lying, and we have 1. If it's staying, it will change, as you can see, and the same as you can see also. So at least try this mod. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.